you will feel that it goes down. So with the brake to get no. So first the throttle, so you have the power on the wheel. So like you want to drive up the hill, exactly the same, and then you can go down a bit, and you're feeling it's going backwards.
So accelerate to go back.
The best way is to start like you want to go up. So then you keep the power exactly like the brake is. And then when you feel okay, now it's holding without the brake, then you can reduce a little bit throttle, and then you're going down.
But the engine needs to keep.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So when you now give a bit of throttle, like you want to start driving, exactly, and now you go off the brake.
Ah, yeah, I see.
And now you feel it.
Yeah.
Now you can go off.
Yeah. My foot are not so long.
That's the thing. Normally, the good thing is when you have both feet on the ground, then it's really a safe place.
Yeah.
And at the end, when you can only go to neutral.
Yeah.
And you put it off. Now it goes to park. And then when you have just a short, then it goes to neutral.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And now you can roll it like normal.
Yep.
When you put your weight on this side, it's easier because the bike always wants to go on this side.
Okay.
So if you put all the weight on that foot, exactly, and now you can.
Okay. Thank you.
And now you can just go off.